Hello YouTube, it's Killerrain Gold. I'm back here today. I wanted to show you guys a couple things. I have a couple new things. I'm going to be doing Sarah Moon. Got the hoodie. So beautiful. It's like rainbow and pink. I think you guys would like it. I had my little cat ears and I can't keep them on too long because it's a little hot, but looks very cute though. Very cute, very cute. I want to show you guys the mirror that I made. I custom made, did it myself. It's Jeffree Star mirror, but I put the crystals and stuff on myself. This is the front and the sides. So beautiful. Jeffree, so, oh. That is the sun point. I think so. And I even did my lip gloss for last. Spank me. Okay, getting into what I'm going to be showing you. They are Sarah Moon glitter that's sold out. I will be opening them in a sec. They're in their boxes. There's like a pink and a blue one. I will show you in a sec. So I'll talk to you guys about something excited. Always love the color pink. Happy to be here today. I was so excited to make a video because my tits are looking nice. My hair looks different today. I wanted to wear pink. I am going to be getting a couple new wigs through the week, so I'll be excited. I just always love this wig in pink. And I will be getting another one like this one day once this one like wears down a little bit. Can't wait for new mirrors to come in. Excited. I can't wait for my girl to get here. She's been making me happy, blush, smile, all these things. So I'm gonna be getting into, I'll unbox these and show you guys what they're like. Okay, this is the one I love a lot. This is the pink one. I want to show you guys swipe test. Pretty much brand new. Take the thing off. It even has like a berry smell. It smells so good. Ugh. You barely even need to do a swipe on this. It's so good. Okay, I got it right here. That is a swipe test. It's so glittery. It's ridiculous. It's so nice. I had to see what it's about. Okay, that is the pink. Moving on to the purple. Unbox the purple one. I don't know if it has the same smell or not. I'm gonna have to check. Oops. Maybe a little different. Maybe a little different, but this is like the purplish. I'll be putting a little purple on today. It does look a little different. This is gonna be a swipe test for the purple. Purple. Beautiful, beautiful. It does look beautiful. Well, there goes my cat ears. That's fine now. Okay, getting down to the dude. I'm probably gonna use my. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna be using the purple first. I'm gonna put purple up here. I'm gonna put this stuff on slowly because like it seems pretty potent. Okay, maybe I won't use my finger. I attempted to try it. I'm just gonna use a small old brush or something. I think that'd work better. Ooh, it does look so sexy. So sparkly. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to this eye. Beautiful. Okay, that is the purple. Oh, that's so pretty. I'll be moving on to the pink. I'm going to be putting pink down here and then run it down a little bit down my face. If you guys have any questions or concerns or any ideas for my next videos, I will be down to listen and answer. I love you guys much. Okay, moving on to the pink. I'm gonna put this on slow. This stuff seems potent as shit. Whoa. I like that. I'm only sweating a bit. Not bad. Looks sexy though. Sparkle, sparkle so far, boys. So far, so beautiful. I'm gonna take a little extra of the pink. Okay, so far I love the product. Only one more step to do, just my lip gloss. Did sparkled and jowled out this shit. Looks so beautiful. Okay, I'm just getting really warm. It's just really hot today, but so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Thank you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the look. So sexy, melting, drip, drip. Thank you guys for watching. This was Killerrain. This was Sarah Moon Glitter. I loved it so much. I'm just sweating so bad. But one love, guys. I thank you guys. And this is how I'm looking. So sexy, always. I appreciate all you guys for coming in. I love you guys. I'm gonna be making a new video in less than a week. Goodbye, sexy.